My name is Jack Cooper. I'm the commercial director at RT7Digital, and I wanted to just make a very quick recording to highlight some of the work that we've done and the way that we approach an Amazon listing, the things that we look for, and hopefully this will give some insight into what I would deem, having worked in Amazon for over 10 years, to be a fully optimized listing. So Hayden being one of our clients. This is a listing that we built for Hayden. When looking at content, I talk about three pillars when it comes to Amazon content. Talk about the brand, the user experience, and then the A9 algorithm. So always have those three pillars in mind when you are optimizing content on Amazon. And I will touch on those as I run through the listing today. So looking at the images, it's really important that you have high quality zoomable images. And this is for a number of reasons. This has a high impact on conversion of the listing. Many shoppers will make their decision from the product images alone. So that is very much the user experience side. You need to make sure that you've got infographics highlighting USPs. So as you can see, we tend to put that in image 2. Also some available in, you can see the colors highlighting there, as well as some of the key messaging that we want to get across about the product. Now, there's not a one-size-fits-all approach for this. We do have a varied approach for different clients, but with Hayden specifically, they have high-quality product shots to highlight the brand and the products that they have. So we don't go too text-heavy on the images with this example, but it's very important you have at least one infographic image. We also have a video there, which fills the image 7 slot. It's really important to use all the 7 slots available to you. This Amazon operates on the A9 algorithm currently. They've unofficially announced the A10, but as it currently stands, the official algorithm is the A9. And utilizing all the image slots available has an impact on the ranking and performance for the algorithm. Title wise, optimize using all of the space available, packed with the high volume keywords. And it's really, really important here that you have keywords that have high volume in the title. The title is the most highly indexed area of Amazon. So within that product title, you want to make sure that any keywords that are relating to the product are listed there. Also make sure that at the start of the title, you have the most high priority information. Over 50% of shoppers on Amazon are on mobile, so they will only see that first portion of the title when looking at the search results page. Moving on, you can see here bullet points optimized using the 5 bullet point slots available. We've also got here a good description of the products, providing relevant information packed with keywords for search engine optimization that my team has also researched prior to developing this copy. And then moving on to the from the brand section, customers on Amazon, they want a brand experience. They want to build a relationship with a brand, tell your brand story. If you don't have a strong brand story, it's really important that you create one and you tell a story, because that builds repeat purchase, it builds trust amongst customers, and has a sizable impact on the overall performance of your brand. And you can see here the A+ content. So we're utilizing the high quality image assets here. We've got about the brand section here as well. And then one thing that I see many Amazon sellers not utilizing is a comparison table. So if you've got a number of products that complement each other within a range, or you may have a customer that lands on this model of the kettle, but they prefer the Cotswold Sage kettle, for instance, then they will click through, and you keep your shopper close to the brand and interacting with wider product range. So very important there as well. Make sure you're using comparison tables. And lastly, just to jump into the store that we developed, you can see here a shop within Amazon. Make sure you've got a store for the brand that's consistent, telling the brand story. Yet again, we've got a lovely little graphic here that shows the journey of the brand. Since introducing this brand related content, it's had a massive impact on the performance for Hayden. And I can't stress enough how important that is within Amazon now, that customers and shoppers are really wanting to not just build a relationship with the product, but they want to learn about your brand. So make sure you've got that content there front and center.